Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a metal climbing RC car. This was a birthday gift for my son and we are super excited to check it out. Let's see how it looks, how it performs and whether it's worth getting. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The box has images of the RC car in different colors and it looks pretty exciting. The box mentions some interesting features. 1:18 scale size, LED lights, 4-direction movement, off-road tires and 45-degree climbing ability. Flipping the box around, we see the available colors: black, red, blue and silver. But there is no marking on the box to show which one we have. Let's check the back and here it is. The price sticker confirms that we have the black model. There's also a section explaining the remote functionality and battery installation. The instructions look detailed, which is always helpful. Alright, now let's get inside the box. The box is sealed with tape on 3 sides, so let's carefully cut it open. And here it is. The RC car and remote are packed securely inside the cardboard protectors. But wait, there's another small packet below. Let's check it out. Inside the packet, we have a rechargeable battery for the RC car, a unique USB charging cable, 2 disposable AA batteries for the remote. That's all we got. Now, let's remove all the packaging and take a closer look at the car and remote. Wow, this looks like a mini monster Jeep. It has a compact but sturdy chassis and large wheels with gold trims. Some standout features: huge spring-loaded shock absorbers on all 4 wheels, a black and gold body with a reinforced structure, no glass components on the windows, just a tough frame, a spare wheel at the back, though it's smaller than the actual ones, so just for show. Flipping it over, we can see a steering controller rack, a small LED light, a battery compartment which is secured with screws, and the rear motor that powers the wheels. The remote control has a gun-like design. It features a trigger to control forward and reverse movement, a steering wheel to turn the car left or right, and an extra button. We'll figure out what it does later. It feels good in the hand, but definitely needs 2 hands for comfortable operation. Now, let's set it up and take it for a spin. The rechargeable battery needs to be charged for 60 minutes before first use. Let's connect it to the charger. As soon as I plug it in, the USB indicator glows red, showing that it's charging. It has a 3.7 volt, 14,500, 5000 mAh rating. Not sure about the exact battery life, but we will find out soon. While the battery charges, let's insert the 2 AA batteries into the remote. We will unscrew the battery compartment, slide out the cover, insert the batteries and screw it back in. Let's check if the remote works. Yes, the indicator light glows when I pull the trigger. That means the remote is powered on and ready to go. Now that the rechargeable battery is fully charged, let's install it. Unscrewing the battery compartment, inserting the battery, connecting the wires, screwing it back in. Now let's switch it on. The LED lights start flashing red and blue on the ground, almost like disco lights. Looks pretty cool. Alright, we are all set. Time for the real fun, testing it out. First, let's check the basic controls. Steering works well. Acceleration, the wheels spin fast. This thing has serious torque. This thing zooms past me at high speed. My son is already getting excited to play with it. The rear wheels are spinning a lot, meaning it's rear wheel drive. Let's see how well the suspension works. Pushing down on the car, the shock absorbers compress smoothly. Jumping off a small ramp, it lands perfectly without bouncing too much. The suspension system really helps absorb the impact. Now, let's test the 45-degree climbing ability. Trying it on a small ramp, easily climbs up. Now, on a slide, it's slipping. The surface might be too smooth for the tires to grip. Maybe with a bit more power, it could make it up. But overall, it handles rough terrain well. For around 800 rupees, I think this RC car is a great option, especially for kids. It has a stylish design with a sturdy build, great shock absorbers for jumps, fast and responsive controls, good battery backup, fun for both kids and adults. The cons: struggles on very smooth inclines, no additional external lights, only the underbody LED. Despite that, it handled all jumps and falls without breaking, so it's quite durable. Would I recommend this? Yes, it's a great gift option for kids, and even adults can have fun playing with it. I'll take it for another quick spin before my son claims it as his. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.